Figured inquiring minds may want to know what's inside a MINC machine, because I want to see why it broke. This is what came out of one. Now, trying to figure out what in the world went wrong here. I mean, it all looks fine. Guess I need to plug it in, but like I literally don't even see where that would have come off. Anyone seen? It's like orange rubber. Like it doesn't even match like this or the roller. Oy vey. Oh, maybe there? No, that looks like glue. Do I want to go deeper? Am I like asking to really destroy this? Not that it works anyway. I would. You know what? I'm gonna plug this in. Okay. Before it was doing like some heavy clicking. Like before, is this the right side? So me trying to put anything, oh my God, now it works? Nope, see? That's what was happening. Yeah, this is dunzo. I don't know what's happening. Oh, they're the orange pieces. I'm gonna shut this off before we have a disaster waiting to happen. Because it is smoking. So clearly the piece that came off either like melted or some sort of thing happened in here, which I wouldn't have even noticed had I not taken that off. This is at a no return, so I don't care if I break it at this point. Ha, there it is. Yeah, this machine is royally screwed. Yeah, you guys can even see that. All right there. Turn on my light for you guys. See how it's all like jammed? And that's why, yeah. So what ended up happening? So obviously part of that thing broke because it's like not even rotating really anymore. But you can see that stuff, it's all right there. Yeah. Well, it's good to know that there's no turning back, that I actually did give it my all for a really expensive machine. Trash. Trash. And for the love of God, do not do that plugged in. So I will deal with that tomorrow, whether that's order another one online or go to Joann's like I originally had planned. I am absolutely loving how this is coming out. Let me brighten this up some. But like, drop it first. Look how cute it is. And then those headers, even though they got messed up, let me see. There we go. Oh my gosh. And these ones match like perfectly. So I just kind of took from the middle. So essentially you get 6 ones that are slightly slanted. Like you can see like right there. So like if you did it, it's like slightly slanted, but I kind of just overdid it. But I think putting it over like the boxes, you can't really even tell. And I just think it adds so much. Although I'm in like terrible lighting. Let me stand up. But this is the mini kit so far. I'm like really ecstatic about this mini kit. Oh my God, the foil on glossy. No wonder Clever Gal Crafts foil is like what I call voodoo foil. It's because it's on glossy. Like it came out perfect first run. And y'all saw what happened to my foil machine, which these were all supposed to come. Let me see. Ignore the leftover from the foil machine. But like, these were all supposed to come out. I think there's like 14 different colors, like color combinations. Oh my God. There's a really pretty teal color combination that may be my favorite. That's the light blue. That's the green. Look how pretty those greens are. That's the red. That's the pink. Look at those. I'm obsessed. And then you add gold foil to that. Yes. Orange. Even orange is pretty. And orange is, I feel like, the stepchild. Yes. Look at those teals. So yeah, those are just sitting there because I can't foil them. So I'm hoping I can run out tomorrow, but it's snowing. So I'm so excited. Like even like you can see it up there. Oh my gosh. I feel like I found like my shop piece. Obsessed. So it snowed again, but at least I didn't run out to go get my hair done this time. Yeah. I think we got like 2 inches, which isn't like a terrible amount, but yeah. Georgia is becoming a snowy state. Just doing some dishes, about to make some chicken noodle soup, which is like the easiest thing in the world to make. And eventually I'll figure out this whole weight thing on this. So we freeze our chickies. And this is going to boil for about 30 minutes. There we go. So I get real technical because I hate touching chicken. I literally just stick the whole thing in there. Yeah, really melodramatic for that. And then I'm going to boil that and then let it simmer. Like I boil it and then reduce the heat for 30 minutes. And then we'll come back. So we still Got plenty of snow out here. I have chicken noodle soup on. Actually, just the chicken's on, cooking it. But I am going stir crazy because I worked from home Monday, and then Tuesday we were supposed to go get the car, but they decided to take it in for an inspection because we wanted to have it inspected before we actually we have a monster on our hands. Okay, so he has to get his first before Mickey, but otherwise he'll go and eat Mickey's. He obviously didn't want the onion over there. The vacuum cleaner. And if Mickey eats all his, that'll be a first in a while. Mickey, no matter what, always leaves some. But I think he may eat it all because I didn't give him too much. Nope, that's onion, bro. Now I had to protect Mickey. Yeah, there's none left. You little jerk. There's none left. You ate it all. You guys ate it all. Mickey, you're coming for more too? It's onion. It's onion mommy dropped and bad mom. Louie. Bad mom of the year. Nom nom nom. Nom nom.